When all the lights on your Spectrum modem are blinking, it means the modem can't establish a stable connection with Spectrum's network. This is often due to a synchronization failure, preventing it from registering with the CMTS, which stands for Cable Modem Termination System. Think of it as the modem trying to introduce itself, but not getting a response. Common causes include loose cable connections, signal degradation, power surges, firmware issues, or even outages in your area. It doesn't necessarily mean the modem is dead, but rather unable to initialize properly, leading to no internet access. First, check all cable connections to ensure they are secure. Examine the coaxial cables connecting your modem to the wall outlet. Next, perform a simple reboot by unplugging the modem for at least 60 seconds, then plugging it back in. This resolves the issue 70% of the time. Use the Spectrum app or website to check for reported outages in your area. If the problem persists, outdated firmware might be the cause. Spectrum often pushes automatic updates, but a manual check might be needed. For corroded cables, clean connectors and check for damage. As a last resort, contact Spectrum support for hardware replacement or further assistance.